The other thing that's important on the screen is you can change the settings for your yearly relationship readings and reports by clicking on this button here, your preferences. And this allows you to decide which client spreads you're going to search in and which friend's card you're going to search for. Like maybe you don't want to search for the karma cards. You can unclick it right there. You can just say only search for the birth card and the ruling card. And you might say, well, I don't want to search the planetary ruling card spread, just the birth cards. So you can unselect those. I have all of these. This is the default that the program starts in, but you can select anything that you want. Finally, the last feature here is I want to talk about is the fact that you can have multiple client databases. Actually, you already have multiple client databases. You can get to the other databases by clicking on Client File Open. And you'll notice that there's a clients database, which is the one we've been using, and there's also a celebrities database. So we'll click on the celebrities and open it up. And now when we click here, we have a whole list of celebrities. We have the actress Ailia, who's actually passed on now. We have Apollonia. We have Babe Ruth. So we can just either double click on a person and their spreads will come up. Now the other way to get to the other clients, the other databases, is to click on the open button here. Same thing. We can go back to clients. And here we are back with me and my fictitious person. You can also create a new database. You can have actually as many databases as you want, and each one can have as many clients as you want. To create a new database, say client file new. Now, and you have to give it a name. Let's call this new, but let's say you want to have like just relatives. Let's call it relatives. All you're going to have is relatives in one database. It's been created, and now it's the current database. And when you click on this button, there's just a test person in there. So you can change that. You can add new clients. You'll notice that the ones I entered aren't there anymore because I'm not in that database anymore. Okay? So if this is one of my relatives, I could just double click on them and they would come back up. And again, you can now, when I go to open a client database, I have clients, celebrities, and relatives. So I have 3 to choose from. So in this way, you can have multiple client databases if you choose, if you would like to have some distinction. For the most part, I just use one, and I have hundreds of clients in there. You might just choose to do the same.